In this Arduino tutorial, we will learn how to make a LED sequencer. Here we are used 8 LED for sequentially LED on and off. The circuit diagram is a very quick sample. The LED are sequentially connected to pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we are used 100 ohm resistor for limit the LED forward current. Here is our example code. First we have defined the LED pin connection. In this case, the pin number 1 of the Arduino board is connected to LED 1. Pin 2 is connected to LED 2. Pin 3 is connected to LED 3 and so on. We have defined a character variable whose name is I. In the setup, we have to define a LED pin mode. The pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of the Arduino board is an output pin. In the loop section, we have to create two for loop for LED are sequentially blinking. In the first loop, we have to set the character variable value is 1 and we create a condition for check the valid value. Here we are used increment operator ++ for increase the value of I. We have to write digital write function for high and low state for Arduino pins. Here are used character variable I, which means the Arduino pin number. If the value of the I is 8, that indicates the selected pin is 8. In this case, I value is 1, the pin 1 or LED 1 is active. We have to create a delay function for 100 millisecond high state of the LED. The value of I is increment when loop is continue and check the condition. When the condition is false, then exit the loop. The next for loop works same as the first for loop. The difference of those loops are condition.